Now I can see that your head's a little bit tilted off to the left, which would tell me that that left side's a little bit more the side. Is that what you've noticed too?
That's what I've noticed, yeah.
Okay.
That's the tight side for sure.
You're just a little bit out on this right leg for the pelvis, but not terrible.
Yeah.
And we adjusted you all through your pregnancy, I mean, all the way up to a week before.
Yeah, pretty much beginning to end.
Okay.
That's right.
And did your doctor say that they were comfortable with that?
Yes, they were fine with that. They said, whatever makes you feel better, whatever
Okay.
makes you feel more comfortable.
Well, and I agree with that, as I've adjusted pregnant women through my entire career.